Today we'll be learning how to fix a sleeve, especially when it's a satin sleeve, to make it neat and so attractive and a very neat finishing without disturbing or giving you any stress. You are going to get your fabric, you measure the arm length. After the measurement, you get the measurement. For example, this is 19. So I got my satin material, and I wanted to use 2.5 inches, which means I'll be getting 2.5 inches on a fold for the sleeve like this. So I cut out, instead of me cutting out 2.5 inches, I cut out 3.5 inches. The reason why I cut the 3.5 inches is when I interface, there may be error and I might need to trim some excess away. So I went to my table, cut my satin fabrics and this soft stay. This is a softest stay. So I cut it in the same form, the same size, and I fixed it on themselves. I hope you understand that. I mean, I ironed it together. I believe you know how to do that. After doing that, you measure the 2.5 inches you wanted to use, and that was when I do that with my chalk and my tape rule. So I measured the 2.5 inches I was to use and I cut it out. I hope you get that. So after cutting it out, I fold half inches in, and that is what gave me this. I fold in half inches. Can you see this? I fold the half inches at the first side and another half inch at the other side. Then I press it together in an equal size to give it this. Can you see this sleeve, this perfect sleeve? So now how to fix it. The first half inch, I open it up like this and sew it down, as you can see, and sew it down, as you can see. After sewing it, I'll give it a top stitch. This is what they call top stitching. You fold the side to the place you know is going to be under, like you just do like this. You know, these are the excesses. As you can see, this is excess. So we now match it on it so that we help hold it down firmly. If you know you have not done that before, you can just be patient with it. Make sure you are sewing at the edge, and make sure your hands are very straight. So after doing that, as you can see, I just top stitch. That's what they call top stitching, because it's going to hold this permanently down to the wrong side, the inner side, so that when I have to fold this, I won't be struggling sewing it, and it will be so perfect and nice. So now I will just sew this on top of the fabric. Let me place it right. So this is what I'm doing next. I'm making sure I'm covering these rough stitches to make it so neat. So as you can see, I will cover it and sew on top of it, and making sure the rough stitches are not showing up. Let's go. And what makes it more neater is you sewing at the tip, at the very tip of the dress, like at the very tip of the satin, the tip, making sure you are covering these rough stitches and making sure you are also sewing at the tip of the satin fabric. Please, if that is your first time doing it, be calm with it. Make sure you are getting it done right. And if it is not getting right, as you can see this, I'm going to lose this and make sure I'm going back to stitch underline. That gives our also neat finishing, like, you know what I mean. Make sure you're covering it, cover it well, not that far, but make sure you cover it and stitch. Don't be in a rush, don't stitch in a rush, please. Can you see how neat it is? Don't worry, I'll show you. And this is also applicable to the hemline too. So make sure you are always cutting out your thread to make your work look sweet. There is a way this feels on customers, on clients. They don't like it to see their cloth having threads. So whenever you are sewing, make sure you are cutting the thread, please. So after doing that, you can see what this gives me. Take it to your ironing table and press it well. See, can you see that? See how gorgeous and neat this is. Can you see, like, let's say I'm putting my hand inside. You know what I mean, baby? If you have learned one or two things from this video, kindly share. Don't forget to subscribe and come back to watch educative content like this. Don't forget to comment. Did you learn? Say thank you, so that next time I'm going to bring more of videos like this. Goodbye.